Hey there, I hope you're doing great. I am Manon from Squeaky Loops and welcome back to my channel where we like anything related to crochet or knitting. If that sounds good to you, let's get cozy. Today we are going to embark on a little crochet vlog, maybe a little bit of knitting, but I'm thinking mainly crochet right now as I do have a few plushies that are half done and I kind of have to finish them. Grab a drink and a project and we will start it right now. First I will maybe show you the project I'm working on, and it is some birds from Mama Made Minis, and this one is the big one. And it's the goose colorway, I would say. Don't mind the stitch markers, it's just a reminder of where I need to embroider the eyes. I will get on my couch and so I am done with the main body part. I will now sew a label in this little hole that I left here, and I will continue making the legs. So now I do have to sew in the wings, I have to hide the tail here, I have to sew the tail, and I have to embroider the eyes. We are done. Oh, no, wait. We still need to tie a knot for the little legs. Now we're surely done. I'm so obsessed. I still have to make one mallard, one swan, and one flamingo. The flamingo is like the only different one. The other ones are just a variation of color. I will probably finish the mallard tonight, and tomorrow I will film again while finishing the flamingo and while starting to make the swan, which is the only one I haven't started to make yet. That's pretty much it. I now have to head out to language school. Hey, it is the next day. I will quickly show you what I am going to work on today, and the remaining of today will probably just be clips of me working on them with like music, no talking, no nothing, and a little wrap up at the end of everything I made today. After that, I'll see if I keep you with me over the weekend. I do have this flamingo that is on its way. The pink is like way brighter than I thought it would be, so I don't know if I'm like super satisfied about it. I will start with the flamingo because it's the one that I have the most work to do on. I have this part of the body, and I have the tails bits that I made. So I still have to sew the label, finish the body, so like legs, and then I still need to make the wings for it. So it's gonna probably take me a few hours, like maybe two and a half, we'll see. So that's the first one I will be working on today, and the second one, we'll see if I have time, like more time afterwards. But there it is. The second one is the mallard, which is probably my favorite, not gonna lie. I still have to do the label here, finish the legs. I do have the feathers for the tail, but they're upstairs. And I've also made the wings. So I basically only have to, finish the body and sewing the label, and then just like sewing all the pieces together. Also for both of them, I still have to embroider the eyes. So that's what's gonna be in my to-do list for today. Also, yeah, I'm wearing my running clothes, and I hope today will be my first run of the year, but we never know, motivation might just go away. Hey there, it is a few days later. I ended up going for a run on Wednesday, and when I came back I had a lot of things to do that were not crochet related, so I did not really end up crocheting much more, so I didn't film it. I ended up finishing the flamingo body. I still need to like sew all the details and also make the wings, so I'm gonna do that right now. Today is the day that I actually finish the flamingo and the mallard. Okay, so guess who's dumb enough that she decided to sew the gray feathers for the tail on the flamingo instead of the white ones, which is supposed to be the right color. And now I do have a mallard without tail feathers because the gray ones were supposed to be the mallard's feathers. So I do have to remake 7 feathers for it. And then I'll be able to like just continue the mallard. I am done with my mallard. Look how cute he is. Very, very cute. I love the colors together. I feel like it is my favorite of all the birds I've made. Sorry, by the way, if you hear my washing machine going on. So final thoughts. So I mentioned the mistake I made on this one. I originally planned to also film a Wheel of Whip video. However, my hand is starting to hurt a little bit, so I'm gonna just chill, I guess. So I'll see you tomorrow, which will probably be the last day of the vlog. Hey again. So I have started to work on the swan off camera. This is what the face will look like. I do really like the contrasts of the black beak with the orange stripe and the cream color. The accent color for the wing feathers as well as the tail like feathers will be white, and the feet will be orange as well. I'm done with the head. As usual, the stitch markers are just here to help me place the eyes when I embroider them. I will make the wings before I actually get onto the body. At the point where I need to sew in my label, then I will only have the legs to make left and the assembly basically, and embroidering the eyes. I do have to leave for language school in 20 minutes approximately, so I will sew in the label and then I'll finish everything else when I get back. Welcome back. It is the next day. I did not film anything regarding the swan that I finished yesterday. However, I still managed to finish it. So here it is. It is a cream color with white accents. I mean, it is not very visible, but because of the lightning, but it is a cream color with some white feathers for the tail as well as for the wings. So there it is, super cute. And also yesterday I was saying that the legs were orange for some reason, even though I knew, like I meant black. I am now done with my 4 birds. Yay, look at them. So I am super happy. I will showcase them to you once again. So this is the mallard. This is the goose. This is the flamingo, which I will remind you is the only one that differs from the others because the beak is oriented downwards, and also it has longer legs. And also I made a mistake. This tail, like the feather as well as the feathers from the wings, were supposed to be white, and I made a mistake and I cannot really fix it easily. So this one will stay like this, and the ones I will make in the future will have the correct colors. I don't think it is that shocking, to be honest. It's just because I know it, so I'm kind of bothered by it, but also it's not shocking at all. So yes, flamingo. And finally, once again, the swan. Now that you've seen all 4 of them, I am really curious to know which one's your favorite, because I cannot for the life of me choose any of them. My least favorite would have to be the flamingo, even if I don't think about the mistake that I made. It's just that this pink is too bright for me. I really like muted colors more than flashy colors, so just for the color choice I would say that it's my least favorite, but it's also supposed to be a flamingo, right? So it's supposed to be pink. But yeah, let me know which one's your favorite. On that note, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please feel free to like and subscribe to the channel, and I wish you a very good weekend. See you next time.